Hey everyone, this is the overview video for the first part of Unit 9, and so this is going to be for Day 6. Hopefully you have all of the activities from Unit 8 completed. If not, that is okay. Go back and complete them whenever you have some time. Don't worry too much about the due dates that I have posted. They're kind of guidelines to make sure that you're on track. I know this whole new learning thing online is a little bit new, so you might take a little bit longer, and that is quite alright. Alright, so let's go into the online distance learning. So if you still need to work on Unit 8, all of those things are still going to be open. Everything is going to be accessible to you, so you can always go back and see if you need to do anything in there. So now we're going to be in Unit 9, so we're starting on the 22nd. And so let's open this up. I have the Unit 9 playlist. Again, use this as a checklist. Go through, read through what you need to. I do go over everything each day in my overview videos, just like this one. But in case you want it, written down, you can go into the Unit 9 playlist and take a look at that. Alright, so for Day 6, we're going to be talking about elements, compounds, and mixtures. So when I think of elements, I think of the periodic table. So we will be getting to the periodic table eventually, but first we're just going to focus on like the single elements, the compounds that they make up, and then what mixtures are. So this right here is your notes, so that when you open this, this will be a Google Doc for you to fill in your notes. You do not have to turn that in. That is simply for you to go through, for you to learn about the elements, compounds, mixtures, notes. Just because you don't have to turn it in doesn't mean you shouldn't do it. Okay, if you want to learn this information, you want to go through and do it. There is a game to go along with those notes, so it's not like looking through a PowerPoint or anything. There's a game that you're going to go through and fill out the notes so you can learn about those three things. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go and do your assessment, the elements, compounds, and mixtures assessment. This is graded, so that's going to be based off of what you did in number 1. So you want to make sure you go through and do this so that you can get a good grade on that assessment. If you do the first attempt and there's still some gaps in your understanding, go ahead and look at these videos or reading, one or the other. They're optional. It's just resources for you to help you do better the second try. Okay, and again, there's more than one try. Please go back. Please make sure that you get the grade that you want. All right. I know this is, again, the online learning is a little bit different. You don't have me in front of you next to you to answer your questions right away. So I can still be there by email. Please make sure to message me if you have any questions. But that is your Day 6.